In this video, we will show you how to use the TM Performance Catalog to quickly find components that are compatible with your vehicle. First, open the website tmperformance.it. From the main menu, move your cursor over Products and select All Products. On the Our Products page, you will see the search form. Here you can select your car make, then choose the model, and click the Search Products button. Below the search form, the system will display all available products for the selected vehicle. You can further refine your search by choosing a product category and a specific component. If you want to remove a filter, simply click the small cross next to it in the Active Filters section, or reset everything using the Clear Filters button. The search results are displayed as product cards with brief information. To open the full product details, click the Details button on the right side of the product card. On the product page, you will see the product name, the SKU code, and the product image. You can click on the image to open it in full screen, and if multiple images are available, you can navigate between them using the arrows. For example, brake pads usually have a single image, while some brake discs may include multiple photos. On the right side, you will find additional product options. For instance, each brake pad model includes a list of available compounds that you can select depending on your needs. Further down the page, there are several tabs. The Description and Specs tab contains the product description and technical specifications. The Compatibility tab shows the list of compatible vehicles. For brake pads, there is also a Compounds tab, where you can find performance charts and detailed descriptions for each compound available for that specific model. At the moment, the e-commerce system is still in the testing phase. To request a product, click the Request Quote button and fill out the form with your contact details. In the message field, you can specify important information such as the desired compounds, quantities, or any additional requirements. After accepting the privacy policy, simply click Send Request. Our team will then contact you to confirm all the details. If you need assistance choosing the correct components, our technical department is always available to help you select the best solution for your application. Thank you for watching and welcome to TM Performance.